Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any a jumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
Atrema, Casato and Fashima, Eradicaso Namane.
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, and ya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timiniano, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi a drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any a jumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenepa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Aini fuchiniye ebidi de BH.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one-stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say dene kenya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom momyemfa ye immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akudu Wisemart Solicitors se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa setena mu ani adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK. Good evening. Welcome to the program. This is TJKB Top Online Radio UK. I believe you are well. Abraso, I be team ransom, kratasem, near Kochi, Cobremai, Wisemart, Solicitor Romanti. I Wednesday piano, Ibiti, near Ecoso, and ransom. Na, a giant walk to Mudia. In some ransom in kratasem de if I pa. Enti Wednesday bia Wisemart for bedomu yen na amone be disa ankomo no enti with a free legal hour what free question bia betimi afre no bisa lawyer wa ha obi ano amount free consultation wa ha your point there this open appointment enti you are welcome to the program obaswa na eja wa share link no na obi so etimi etiebi. Yo, Eddie Yen Sebre no minfa lawyer Mrana Yen Shasi, lawyer Francis. Welcome to Legal Matters, Top Online Radio UK. Wisemart, I see what to say.
Yo, thank you, DJ KB. Good evening. A comma with me for yo Wisemart, I show ye Namia Daroma or the Endache 21st of February 2024 no. Bibia dane kwan so na daddy day na ye five or this obega idea and say no this year started the month of February no so no dey be try near any the various months ahead of us.
Yo yen share senator bia na ye hwase no ye share the legal world honum say update bia ba pese woni Ghana for HR lawyer Ebraso, Medasi.
Yo, Medasi, DJ KB. Biom so in Chaka say come for our top online any of the platform via or sharing or mutie say no. Yo, just enrochi and statement of change be by is regarding Ukraine for say government extends stay for Ukrainians in the UK. Does the government provide certainty and stability for Ukrainians with visa holders now eligible to stay for an additional 18 months? Because Ukraine for a visa no na babu tino mu nim the sena government be treaty omo but nyame adaroma on the 19th year na echi being 19th February and omo assure omo say omo asa extended because omo who say still no intokwana air course war Ukraine no still no e was say omo eye omo afamu there as a government. Yo ebiomo so eno ne update bi aba the other one is so am pese e course wa hwe any time immigration changes are ever. Tembiano, ye car changes are ever. To say, yeah, 21st of February 2024. Ye share 11th March, changes our government a day by day. Government is say care workers are on code year 6145 now. Being an answer and senior care workers are also code here 6146, you know, the 6145, 6146, you know, would not be permitted to bring dependents to the UK, and care homes in England will be required to be regulated by the Care Quality Commission in order to sponsor migrants under the health and care worker visa route. Yo, on the 11th of March, you know, government is sharing our day banner. We are care worker and as a senior care worker. Code near 6145 6146. Or say munye akwanja any say mudi dependents ebeba. But I was say care homes, you know, are more regulated by care quality. But say if they are being regulated by care quality, rest assured, move to be the dependent. And at the same the month of on the 14th of March 2024, no, and also Omubele, a statement of change to the immigration rules, no, will be laid before Parliament, replacing the existing shortage occupation list with a new immigration salary list. In the 14th March, you know, Omubesisa Edina, your friend shortage occupation list, you know, being SOL, no, and they are called immigration salary list. And no more the back to parliament and nim. Inti ye share 10 bia the die nim no update no near the ama April the wo inti edu March near the April the atwaso. Yo DJ KB, I think sir in time we need inti the rest of the update no. As time goes on, yeah the better picture. Why?
Yo, me that's a lawyer. Now I'm saying no. How to apply for British citizenship by naturalization. British citizenship by naturalization. And the lawyer, who is a British citizen?
Yo, who is a British citizen? The TNS Emrano Moshishe, no, Ayana or Moshishe or more Emrawa or Modito Aquema, I was say or Modiso. It is a opese we are British, and I say your cast will be a British. There were so many types of how to become a British. Obi wo ha if be British by descent was for enunti we British ne and automatic acquisition of a British citizen. Ebia ye wo ma me ne papa British inti and also must settle e wo krum ha no ma. Definitely also automatically we British section 11 of the British Nationality Act. And a biomunso no ube to me I become a British we are kola under section 13 no ube application be registration as a British citizen. And so no yeah whereby for no or more any bit now fain or when you be settlement in as if for now. And a so air course section 14 HSA section 14 of the British Nationality Act. HSA akola ya wono the first 10 years will me prove say watena UK ha no more at that time na for any krata no so no obetumi aye registration as a British citizen enya akola nko when you ni kura no na blue 18 na witimi kire say at least watena abrochi ha no more first 10 years by proving when you ni kura na obetumi naturalization as a British citizen. So that tells you, sir, you can't be a British is either by registration as a British citizen or another automatic acquisition of a British citizen, and now you go through this processing by naturalizing to become British citizen. Inti na me pese ye share as naturalization, no, o naturalize here. How do you go about it? Inti yen shedding so in Coladian registration as a British citizen. Akɔla less than 18 no qualifier. Ɛna mpanyinfoɔ deɛ no efiri woyɛ 18 ɛkɔ a wobɛyɛ application be a friend of naturalization. Because at times now we get confused about registration, naturalization. Inti what you say?
Say no crepa, yeah, now naturalization.
Terms be on used to, but I was say as a legal expert, your mom difference, Into I say naturalization is the legal process by which a non-British adult becomes a British citizen. So, I say a non-British adult. One can say child, because a child and it will go for registration.
Okay.
Yo, it was say we hear application to the Home Office. Now, yeah, normally as of now, you know what can say application fee no, ube use form no form AN online by going to the the government website gov.uk website. Now, form ube use ne form AN. Normally, paper there, but the paper is fading out of the system. It mostly we normally do the online application. Now, we have some application now. What your Home Office as a name we can say Home Office fee near 1,580 to naturalize.
Wow.
Yo,
1,580 pounds.
yes, and their requirements are I was say umiti when it comes to the naturalization.
Right. And yeah, lawyer, would you best start to hold more, the process, the application process, how do you go about it? What evidence you have to provide? What, I know you've mentioned the form, but evidence been so the come home.
Yeah.
So what do you have to become?
Yo, Mati, I made it honey ever come. Oh, share sessions of the immigration natural British Nationality Act 1981 now. Breaking down most of the sessions application now which may apply. Or see if born in the UK on or after 1st of January 1983. Section 1.4 no ebe cover and section 4 if a British overseas because you go through sessions now 1 year, but let's quickly jump to the requirements now. Yeah, Baba share now. Yeah, to me, a make application. If we are near share the processing, because there are so many requirements you need to meet. But then you know, application crowd, and I say, free, say, obia, watena krom hanom anaasɛ wanya wo settlement anaasɛ woyɛ obi a yɛbɛka ne sɛ waware British ni na yɛma wo 2.5 watwa indefinite awie nti on that note no lawyer deɛ bɛyɛ na mewɔ yo sɛ wowɔ leave to remain na wada leave to remain no as a partner, as a parent. Yɛnhwɛ as a partner. As a partner no, ebia nyame ayɛ adom ama yɛde wo firi amanɔne ɛne yɛde waba. Nti ohukafoɔ ɛyɛ application bia yɛfrɛ no entry clearance a ɛde ɛbɛba kurom ha no. Nti entry clearance no application no and the amount 2.5. Ti ma 2.5 no na odi bewura mu. Nti odi bewura mu no, that's say why 2.5, another 2.5. Inti uko w'anim no na woyɛ wo settlement. Yɛbɛsa aka ne say indefinite leave to remain. Inti based on that no, sɛ woyɛ British ni ahokafo a section 6.2 no define time ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ wo application and the requirement ɛwɔ sɛ wo meet. Yo, so why British you know go through this process in a match you muna with 2.5, and now we indefinite now. Section 6.2 of the British Nationality Act 1981 no explain it yes we so person will naturalize here. Yo, so we indefinite no now why British in here straight we to me apply for British naturalize it as a British citizen. So in this case, requirements ben they will say we meet. Requirement they say is at least 18 years and above. DJ KB, mama no me sure na they say there.
18 years and above. And they say you must be a matured person, an adult.
Yes.
Right.
So that's first requirement. And also I was we are under the full capacity. So you can think we have a full sound mindset.
Wow.
And so I say you are married to or is you are in a civil partnership with a British citizen. I was British in me. And the biom so na was meeting residence requirement. You better talk resident requirement. Say every year there no, you've not been out of UK for 90 days. In the Ushema say 12 months in half of the month you've not been out of UK. 6 months for more than 6 months. To multiply for 3 years how are you going to get it? About 360 days. So residence requirement no. And I was say you are of a good character. Usubai only criminal record, own drink driving, fairly say what you are cancel tax, then I say for no. They do all these things to check about your good character. And also, you have to have sufficient knowledge of the English language and a life in the UK. Unless you are exempt, you can't exempt. What does it mean? Sir? Either you are less than 18 or above 65. And now, sir, you have a mental disability. It has to be assessed by a consultant, not your GP. Because you go to your GP will refer you to a consultant according to the Home Office in Mrano.
Wow.
They
don't trust the GPs and lawyer.
I don't know, but GPs are not experts in the field of what they are doing. So anything they do, they refer you to the hospital to go and see consultant, specialist, and that kind of thing. Yes, and so. Initial point of contact. Yeah, normal says so. No one say, oh, idea where you need a specialist, and they refer you to that. Yo, inti sad way na name make sure say UK in future no would the UK be ufie ukro and son of man naturalize you. Yo, inti that's under section 6.2. Say what worry British in here. Yeah, a situation now unworry British in say na emrani sika. No, yes, section 6.1 of the British Nationality Act requirements also will meet. Inti sɛ wonya wo indefinite ni wie sɛ wonware British ni especially EU for ne ade a ɛwɔ sɛ wotwɛn for 1 year which is the 12 months and sana wa apply for naturalization. Bibacho difference wom sɛ woanhwɛ now so oh manya me indefinite me kɔyɛ naturalization a home office very refuse you. Sɛ wonware British ni a
Okay.
so what British in here a different, you go straight to it. In this section 6-1 no say worry British in here. Dear Ben Ran say would do so, and I said Nyoma Ben say umiti and Sana one naturalize it as a British. It been saying the same at least near 18 years old. And you are of a full capacity as to say who decided in terms of say me naturalize it and I say me naturalize it. And a biomusono you meet the residence requirement to say the ma explaining, but there is a difference between this section 1, 2, and section 1 of the British Nationality Act. So don't worry British in here, at least I was say which let's say residence requirement, no, what now at least 25 years UK Hanum out of the 5 years, no, umfi Chrome 450 days. Into every year, no, umfi has 6 months, more than 6 months, more than 6 months. 90 days, 90 days.
Main question, you know, Emrana Yentuaso.
It's
about health and care worker visa. You say, yeah, there a hot topic here system. Sir, we a sponsor and didn't buy. And we trip time nibi.
Okay.
But the sponsor no. Bibinti akoba say esese nipa no or switching. And when ya new sponsor or ya mano.
Okay.
So who say financial we try 2 years with the old sponsor. And a new sponsor no so I apply for 5 years amano.
Okay.
And how long say 2 years now we try with the first sponsor no. Will it be credited to him for indefinite? And I say, just a number share go. And the new sponsor no 5 years or the man on the next will 12 years. So, and I say, Senekano, say 2 no channel, we try 3 years with the new sponsor can one, 5 years. Obey to me the pay indefinite. And I say, just say, we the 5 years of the second sponsor. Lawyer, that is the question.
That's the question. But yo, DJ KB, me that say about this question. Because clarification no ehun here pa. You also more immigration rules be in terms of continuous residence. Your friend of appendix continuous residence.
Because say the BB appendix room.
Say no, your boy Machiama said they should make the law straight and it should be simple for us to read and interpret it. Because of that, you know, normal creating appendix.
Okay.
Yeah. Into also appendix continuous residence requirement now. So we application under the skilled worker visa crana. You are part of say we meet those who stay no or residents no a continuous say who person call for indefinite. Into question now what to and I say no. Already Nipano was in another care sponsor and the American say I hope so one train man a visa na one son was switch.
Debbie.
Good.
Good.
Yes. or say there be that's fine. Honor the most important.
Okay.
Inti say one channel na another sponsor say and may take you up. Sponsor no wajia no and at this time no okoji 5 years amano.
Yeah.
Inti say otimi ehwe na brabo mu ka say me di 5 years ewo UK hanuma based on first 2 and another 3. Bibia nsi ni kwan say obetumi apply for indefinite leave to remain.
Okay.
And that's a settlement.
Okay. Okay.
Because no emu here pa and osha omo append skilled worker na omo akwan just say omo di 5 years wo groom hanuma omo apply for settlement and I say indefinite. One kase kodi bi wa ha ne kodi bi wa ha. As long as ultimate say Martina UK have 5 years no. Okay. Minya breaks in continuity now. Definitely, I will say Home Office amount settlement and now say indefinite leave to remain.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And yes, I would say some papa.
Yes,
I feel also become boom 5 years.
There be.
I will go with woman 7.
Yeah.
You made us a lawyer.
Yo, into you drew sa requirement for section 6.1 say unwari British here. And now me they start here and at least I will say we are 18 years above. And at least you have to be of full capacity. That means in terms of your sound mind, and you have to meet the residence requirement. This time, no 5 years, and to say, British in India, 3 years, And a biomo, so no, you have to make sure, say, you are of a good character, because good character, no. Under so many things. I don't know, sir. I know what treaty about good character.
Almost every
that's it.
Suitability.
That tells you,
the other one.
Yeah. So that tells you, sir, Home Office is keen and concerned about good character. No, say you're British in here, now say me and you're British in here. Okay, in Conphobia, you're more British. Sika for more betty or more business for her.
Yeah, Harold Unano.
Yes, and I've been Chelsea former owner Abramovich. Yeah, into that tells you, sir, British citizen, it is privilege. It is not your right.
Martina Hentiesa Modimbami.
There be
tax.
And only at the back you don't have right of appeal.
Wow.
Yeah. So that tells you that they decide whom they should make as a British citizen or not. So make me decide they said who applies said then Into Mr. Mo, we are naturalization lawyer check lawyer na no more. There be Omu decide say the Bema one I am farmer.
Okay.
Yo. Into good character, and that's one thing. And I was say we have sufficient knowledge of English. And sufficient knowledge of the life in the UK test. Unless you are exempt. You can't exempt I was say we say when the 65 and above, and that's mental disability. And then make us say it needs to be assessed by a consultant or be make a report about it.
Oh, okay.
And if you also know if we are successful in your application, I will say you have the intention to have another intention to make UK as your home.
Wow.
Yeah. These are the requirements. Say, oh yeah, now don't worry, British near. I will say, umeti.
Yo, At you for Brandy, a qualm to say, oh, question be a send obedient nearby and obey to me as type of Facebook comment section. And I say, you can call the number on your screen 0208 133 5876. That is 0208 133 5876. Now you can ask your question be a lawyer or be a no amount. Lawyer, we have about 10 minutes more.
You're picking the intention to live in the UK. What does it talk about? I say those not married to a British citizen have to demonstrate an intention for their principal home to be in the UK. Home Office will guidance be a say follow a share say ampa ope say o tena as your ufie and I say ukra. Because there are so many ways they look at it, especially with traveling history, how you do your things here. Until you're very, very careful. And the good character and an American, you have to make sure say at least won't receive a custodial sentence of at least 12 months in the UK. So say cry the overseas class about become Timisremu share who could be overseas because of
citizenship and also
they have a way of getting such information. Don't we say at least they can't do it. And I would say you have not committed an offense which has caused serious harm. And that's a persistent offender. Because we have things like, say, are you a persistent offender or not? What the thing be why a bonny first one? Your child say, men, yes, I bonny. Oh, now guso. The same bonny na why ya twas and no brother will criminal record in such a way say to me actually was so and as I have committed a sexual offense on their say or their details are recorded by the police on their register national database because one she now dinya ko shemu pe bebiano etimi eyiba sena police for taking record on you. Yeah, intimisho bonibia nkiti ne ewo ho but yeah may kase boni we dear because I say the guidance then listed and elaborate on the following factors which must be weighed in the balance. It is a case where can be a foul case or share the length of time since offenses okay. No, I share the number of offenses our committee. No, I share period over which offenses were committed, and the seriousness of the offense, and any escalation in seriousness of the offense, and the nature of offense, and age at date of conviction. So, age, a time when you're convicted. And exceptional or other circumstances in the person's life when they committed the offense. Indeed, there are so many factors caseworker looking into. And Sana may decide say you naturalize you as a British citizen. Dushama section 42 to 42B, Schedule 5 of the 1981 Act provides that anyone over the age of 18 who acquires British citizenship, whether by registration or naturalization, must do so at a public ceremony and is required to take the oath and pledge of allegiance. Inti sa nyamiya adum na ye naturalize you as a British citizen. And so why ubeko for ceremony as long as we are above 18. Mr. Jensen, as long as above 18, one can say below 18 or see over the age of 18. And I want to, yes, a part of under section 42 to 42B. and Schedule 5 of the British Nationality Act. No?
Okay.
First, now to me, choose a main commercial, but I said, yeah, or my bayanimra. And I was saying we take the oath and pledge of allegiance to the king. They say, you're working, oh.
Yeah. Power to the men.
Yes.
I say, men, you to me, or Chroma.
Yeah.
I mean, you are a man, more time, my best in the court.
In the I'm sure a situation on my refusal of naturalization,
okay.
There be opportunity now because bear in mind, say a privilege is not
a right.
That's it.
Until that's why I say you can't appeal.
What I mean by say Mintina, and you're right in the amount. Because you can't say, Article 8 of the Human Rights plays a part in this place. There be. Because you're right, that's where all right of appeal. In the end, you're right, you know. Almost one who mobile akacho say, ye bibia, among consider a friend of reconsideration.
Wow.
Into Form NR, over fill form, online. Now, that's a paper one. It's similar to administrative review. Into say, almost show case in the movie. That's the word reconsideration. Yeah. But as of now, may share them with a yamata regarding the reconsideration fee. No, and it is deny one answer or refuse naturalization. And so one and so because and yet no quas ubeye reconsideration. So feel say they got the law wronger. You have something we call judicial review as well.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Until I say some applications for judicial review of naturalization decisions have occasionally succeeded, but generally it is very hard to challenge Home Office decisions in this particular area of law because the legislation gives the Home Office a lot of discretion about how to make decisions.
Okay.
In Timenya, what you say judicial review 100%, there be a few cases are banned. Say Home Office would to me say you British name. Into on that note, you know, or my refusal application. Fine. What to me, MES almost share application by doing a reconsideration.
Okay.
Yeah. But pick the option of judicial reviewer, the chances are maybe 50-50. It doesn't guarantee you say they are going to.
I say, challenge you or mobisano.
Yes.
Because for reconsideration, the say,
yes, I'm sure. Yeah. So, when I open the no, nti was defe omo na ufa kwa biso na wodeje sa the open. That's how the application of to become a to naturalize as a British is all about. Nti you share every in summary no you share free say what worry British ni and now on worry British ni and you share requirements no you share fee no and you share about basis say you refuse dear na ube to me aye.
Lawyer, question with the info is about dual citizenship. Yeah.
Okay.
So, how do you become a dual citizen as a Ghanaian? Because also what I say, we say you just get your 2 passports, your Ghana passport and your British passport. In the work now the Bakoko now the other one about. Does that make you a dual citizenship and lawyer?
In some way, no, we are British now. It makes you a dual citizenship. But Ghana, you have to register. You can register and get a card.
A card.
Ghana Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I know some ways I don't know. But one thing about the dual citizenship, any countries need now no more allow.
Okay.
And a biomonso no, any countries need na okuta dual citizenship. Ube me any position in ministerial appointment and that kind of thing. And I said being a member of parliament as well, especially Ghana, we have dual citizenship. At least when it comes to the 3 state of organs of government now, being the executive, legislature, and the judiciary.
Okay.
You can't be dual citizenship. At least you should be a Ghanaian in order to handle any of the opposition positions in the organs of government.
Wow.
Yeah, we need to be very careful. Under the 1992 Constitution.
Okay. Right.
Yeah, but UK allows you to hold a dual citizenship.
All right.
And yeah, can it is call Ghana, Ghana, and in a British near. Over to me from here, no, the British passport, Udu Ghana, no, you Ghana passport, we try and able to say, now Ghana passport, every send him just a now the British passport natural because they know about that.
Right, lawyer. Question Yina. Mimbisa obi eka one time we say okọ Ghana oba no airport ho almost easy no the British passport no kire say almost say she's not allowed to hold 2 passports. And
when was that and what time and that kind of thing was that happened?
Well, I check a crown and say about 5 years or thereabout. Now,
okay.
Intina, was it say no PBB if you know na say na new no money rano na say because say we are on card card no dual citizenship card no na say we do 2 passports etukwaya omubetimi ahodu for so what break him ready. No, yeah.
What will hold you for that?
Airport for immigration. That is what the person said. Say all bano and oyi books ni no go. But you can't hold 2 passports. You have to apply for a card.
In Ghana, immigration for the years.
Yeah.
Okay. For all our work, it could be so many factors in this case, because what I know is you have the right to hold if you want to be
dual citizen.
Dual citizenship. And another work, and it could be said they didn't know the law. One, it could be said no more baby na IGF. There are so many factors because you can, and I say I was saying called challenge. Adentina or more casa or muncheme, no muncheme bra, HS mean to me body 2 passports. And now say me can know a minister be, and now say me can know a judge be. Because
we're the ordinary citizen.
Good. If ordinary citizen, I was saying or challenge or
okay.
Officer no crown, I was saying could take in the
okay.
Now, what? Yeah, official complaint to them. Say they should show. Say DNT no catching. Say want to me hold that 2 passports. But as far as I'm aware about him running there, dual citizenship no. Open say we are ultimate. bibia ensi wo kwan say untimi nye dual citizenship. But bear in mind say who percent in future you go for some sort of positions bia and no, you can't hold that dual citizenship in Ghana.
All right. Lawyer, if you mentioned, say, wait a minute, last question, let me tell. So to get the dual citizenship, as a Ghanaian, you have to apply to where? Is it the Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Tell me who
Yes.
where should I get it? Is it from?
It can go through the Ghana High Commission.
Okay.
Yeah, because every high commissions or councillors, they are representing the country.
All right.
Into anything regarding the country in terms of Inkratasem, because every the setup in the High Commission, or Obia or handle foreign affairs, Obia or handle for interior, Obia. There are so many departments and war, and I say a war makaboma into if anything, because almost see chrono anemu ewo UK ha.
Okay.
Inti bibia wo pe wo chrono mu no, omo mpese obetwa kwan no, ko bra omo no mo a no mo nye. Could you believe say who pe passport to Chrome ha UK who pe Ghana passport to ha. Who ko yeno Ghana High Commissioner a contempt chain who ko akoye Ghana.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Kakra mi name no. Because omo dey call Ghana no mo process here because at that time no omo ye processing bibia wa no mo dey call Ghana akwa abro.
Okay.
But yeah, you should say oh Ghana, look at the time I'll be your appointment crowd take it biometrics. They say appointment in 3 to 4 months.
Hey, Samu.
Yeah.
Ghana passport.
Yes.
Wow.
Ghana.
Oh, Ghana.
I say UK. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. That's the way I speed up things,
Maybe I have to give them a call because my home website, I didn't see dual citizenship. Link
Ghana High Commission, and you can give them a call. They will guide you how to do it, how to go about it. Why?
Okay, you. But I say, Lawyer Francis, I'm sure name church I must say Wisemart for Mama Lawyer Wisdom, Lawyer Amwa, any woman can the reception. Ubi biara da mo ase so that we bia mo ba number church them ransom no am and you the major lawyer kwan na omo contact information is on your screen. Omo unit 8 the print house 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. That is unit 8 the print house 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. I say opese from Swa. Omo a number on your screen so 0208 016 538. I hope I got it right. Lawyer Francis, the number 07946 772 439. Lawyer Francis number being 07946 772 439. And our emergency number is 07931 411 042. 07931 411 042. From more in those numbers are being omo. Mamiata, thank you very much. I got your message. I think now we or mobile app no so and something was there was some background noise. Thank you very much. A tip for Hanede and BC, but Wisemart for the information is on your screen. I'll be to me a contact you. Before I take leave of you, you take a few messages from them. Wisemart Solicitors before we go away.
Do you need a professional website for your business, organization, or e-commerce store? Look no further. Compassion Web Design Limited is your number one stop shop. We are a team of marketing, graphics, and web designers with over a decade experience in building and maintaining websites. Our products are very user-friendly, search engine optimized with multiple user permission levels, and are built with PHP and MySQL database. For more information, visit our website www.compassionweb.co.uk or call us on +44 0208 528 3077. Compassion Web Design, your professional web design partners.
Ghana for our butcher, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokas emu, yakase a lawyer for Entiminiano, Mumian for immigration in seminar and could dine one more. Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for Wisemart Solicitors. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi drone swa, a yomoko kra, a banini passitnemu, any a jumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotenipa, Omu the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07946 772 439. Call our 24/7 line on 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
For more Ghanaian content in the UK and around the world, tune in to Top Online Radio UK. We bring you news, views, interviews, and what have you. Download our free mobile radio app from the App Store and the Play Store. Just search for Top Online Radio UK. We stream live on Facebook and YouTube. For all enquiries, advertisements, or to work with us, contact us on 0044 7902 944 398. Top Online Radio UK, the top Ghanaian station in the UK.